Hi everyone, it's Kristi. I am back with a little bit of an unboxing. I subscribed years ago, well, I guess it was 2018, maybe March, when we decided, no, it was probably the year before, October maybe, of 2017, when we put our deposit on our cruise. I subscribed to the Walmart Beauty Box for samples, so that I could find little sample size things, and I can't figure out how to unsubscribe from it because I'm an idiot. So it's not that expensive. You pay $5. It comes every 3 months or every 4 months. It's just a few times a year, so it's not too bad. But I haven't looked in here. I mean, I opened it, but I haven't actually looked, so I thought I would let you see what's inside. Sometimes I get some interesting things. So this is just telling me what's inside. This is the Cetaphil Minerals. Okay, so DSC Dollar Shave Club Shave Butter, translucent for precision, and it's for sensitive skin. Okay, well that can be used. Let's smell it. It's got foil on it. Let's see. See, these are the kinds of things, because you can't take more than 3 ounces. That smells kind of like mentholatum. Maybe it's got something in it that's I don't see anything that would smell like that, but willow bark extract. Yeah, it kind of smells medicinal, but you know, hey. All right, let's see what this is. Cetaphil Sheer Mineral Sunscreen, 50, perfect. It's just the right time for that. I will definitely use that. Broad spectrum, formulated for sensitive skin, and that is me. Let's see if this one, well, they all have foil on them now. That's kind of nice. See if I can smell this. I don't want to put it next to that other stuff. Well, it's got zinc. Yeah, it just smells like suntan. You know what my favorite smell is? That like shea butter, cocoa butter smell. So, all right, I'm not going to get sunburned right there. Okay, so here, NYX Professional Makeup Filler Instinct Plumping Lip Color. Rouge. Well, rouge is a good color for lips. It's red, but sometimes it's not as red as you think. So let's open this. Easier said than done. Usually there's a perforation on here somewhere. There it is. There we go. I think. Oh man, this is tough. There we go. Come on. Nope. It has a perforation on it, but it doesn't tear down the perforation. Isn't that weird? Okay, I'm going to fast forward this part. Is it? There we go. Ooh. Well, that is kind of pink. Pink and peachy. It's kind of corally. I don't know if I would wear that color, but it smells good. This one smells like summer. So I will definitely try it. I haven't worn lipstick in so long. I don't know. With the mask, it's not real practical, but I'll try it. All right, what is this? A revolutionary way to get a whole mouth clean and fresh feeling anytime, anywhere. Oh, so it's like Listerine Ready Tabs. Chew to transform from a solid to a liquid in seconds. Interesting. Chew, swish, swallow. Oh, you can swallow it. Well, that's kind of cool. I'm not going to try those now because I'm going to be having dinner shortly, and I don't want to get that xylitol flavor. Is that what it is? All right. Oh, there's another loose one. Okay, Extra Gentle Daily Scrub by Cetaphil. Oh, good. You know what? I saw a commercial for this. Gently exfoliates with microfine particles to reveal radiant-looking skin. Cleanses without over-drying. Okay, I've been wanting to try this. I saw a commercial. I was going to buy some, so that's even better. I have used oh, I can't remember what it's called now. But there's a skincare line that's for rosacea. I have rosacea. And it's been hard to find, so I know I can find Cetaphil. All right. And then new Suave Pink. Workable, ready for anything hair in 3 steps. Smooth performer. Cleanse, condition, and style. Wow. And there's a sample of all 3. Smooth sulfate-free shampoo with amino acid complex. Only at Walmart. Okay. Well, that sounds good. I'm looking. Oh, wait. Okay. They're like those half containers that have the what you call it deal on the back, the little foil. You clip the top and it squeezes out. So these are the kind of things that I love to take on vacation. But we're not going anywhere anytime soon, and our next cruise is going to be 2023, and that'll be our 30th wedding anniversary. So we're already planning to go back to Alaska. We loved Alaska so much that, you know, there's just not time in one trip to see everything. And we missed the lumberjack show, so we got to go back. And but that's not too bad for $5. You go to, you know, I don't know how much these are at Walmart because I haven't been in a while, but the samples at Walgreens or Target, they're like $1.29 or $1.19 or something like that. Well, they were. Prices keep going up. So anyway, that's my Walmart beauty box. So yeah, I just thought you might be interested in seeing that. I'll kind of see if I can do some research and find the link if you're interested in that. It's kind of fun just to get it, you know, every 3 or 4 months, and always have different. Sometimes there's toothpaste or a face mask or you know, all kinds of stuff. So it's kind of fun. And what I don't like, I usually pass on to my daughters. One of them will usually take it. So anyway, thanks for watching, guys. See you next time. Bye now.